Hey guys, James here again. Just pulled up to salvage, so let me take you with you. Let me take you with me. And let's take a look at this car together for the first time. Alrighty. Well, here it is. It's a 2015 Nissan Versa Note. I don't know if Note means hatchback or what it is. But so there she is. That's the damage. Nothing too terribly major, but they're saying about, retail, you're looking about 10 grand, I think, somewhere around there. And we'll do her for a lot less now, won't we? Alrighty, so I had a buddy of mine come out here yesterday. His name is Josh. Now, when I bought this, it said no keys, but now the problem with that is not all the time there is, and sometimes nobody can be bothered to look for them. And at the price of fobs and shit like that, it'd be pretty expensive. So I had the ability to have him come out here and take a look around, see if we can find the keys. Within 3 minutes, he had found whole sets of keys to a vehicle that is supposed to not have keys, which, quite frankly, for me, is good. That means I'm gonna get it a lot cheaper. But yeah. So a car that was supposed to have no keys and no keys, just saved me about $400. So big shout out to Josh. Gonna go meet him. I think I owe him a lunch for saving me that kind of money. There we go. Got 87,000 kilometers. Seems to purr like a kitten. Interior relatively clean. Means I won't have to do much for detailing. Let's go take a look around here while the windshield clears. Power everything. Now in these cars too, I always, if there's only one key, I always take it with me or leave a window down, because having a tow truck driver come and let you into your new car is always an expensive little endeavor. So I got the other one in my pocket, so I don't have to worry about any of that. Let's see here. Oh, and looks like you had a big stereo at some point. Won't do anything for me, but there you go. Ground wire power, little distribution block. Maybe get a couple bucks for that. You know, I never mind on These cars, you know, you don't make a lot on them, but you also didn't spend a lot. Throwing stuff on, you know, Marketplace and my Kijiji, your guys' Craigslist. You know, you throw it on there, take a quick picture, you throw it on, yes, 20 bucks or something. No, it's not a lot, but hey, my drinking problem, 20 bucks is a case of beer almost. So, you know, quite frankly, you take every little bit you can get. So, this is gonna be mostly for the body shop. Well, I guess it's gonna be all for the body shop. And whatever else needs to be fixed. Let's go pop that hood and look under it now. I believe this is a 1.6 liter powerhouse automatic. Another thing too, guys, when I'm buying these cars, you'll see guys that buy cars and stuff like, yeah, you get them cheap and they have you know, 250,000 K. That's not what sells. I like to pay a little more, get a little more on the I have to pay a little more, but I get a lot more out in the back end. Sells easier, and this gives me a little more confidence too when buying them. You know, you start buying vehicles with 250K and stuff, they need a lot more in mechanical, and you aren't getting that out of the back end. So yeah, no, and I don't like to get anything major. Here we don't do flood damage stuff. It gets it's kicked over to parts only right away. There's no repairs we do on flood damages. I don't take them unless I need the parts. Otherwise, I don't touch them. I don't like to take basket cases, you know. I don't have any troubles with taking little things. Like, I like the stuff where you replace a door or a fender, and if I can, save you a lot of money, because paint and labor are the two big costs. It's if you can, you know, just replace a fender, and you can get your body color even better. It just saves you so much time, so much effort, so much headache. And I mean, paint and body help you a little, but again, they're things you're not going to really get heavily back. You have to spend some money to make money, so get used to it, but you don't have to go crazy either. Anyway, I'm gonna set the camera up here and load the old girl, and then I think it's time for some lunch and some bevies, and then we hit the road and get back home. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later, and like I said, I'll hook this up and then we'll get this loaded and get out of here. We'll see you guys. Hey guys, James coming back at you here. Just finished up at a little restaurant called The Tap in Regina. Just big shout out to them. Probably the best fries I've ever had. Gravy's excellent. Service is great. 50 beers on tap. So if you're ever in Regina, guys, go there. Give them your business. It's excellent. Won't be disappointed. Paid way too much. Shout out to my buddy Josh. Got me. He found me some keys for that car and fixed my computer for me. So thank you, Josh. Anyway, just got back on the road. Got 250 kilometers to go till home, and I think I might stop at the body shop on the way and show them the car and get my quote and see when they can book it in. So anyway, I guess unless something happens on the way, I'll check back in with you guys when we're pulling into Saskatoon. All right, I've made it back to Saskatoon here in good time, so I'm just going to take the car to Preferred Collision and Glass on 51st in Saskatoon. Just going to get a rough quote on what it's going to cost to get done, and if there's anything I can do to shave a little cost on, remove door handles, stuff like that, whatever it takes to save a little money, and then let them do the hard stuff. So nothing much more to see here for today. Anyway, if there is, I'll bring you along. Otherwise, I think right now I'll sign off, and we'll